Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a pause effect in CapCut to give your video a dynamic eye-catching look. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project or use an existing one. Next, scroll through the bottom menu and tap on Effect. Then select Video Effect. Browse through the category for an effect like pause or vibration, or you can use the search bar and type in pause to look for the effect. Tap on the pause effect to apply it. Adjust the intensity using the slider to make the pause stronger or more subtle, depending on the vibe you want. The next step is to set the effect duration. To control when the pause effect starts and ends, drag the edges of the effect layer in the timeline. This lets you apply it to a specific point in your video, like during beat drops or dramatic moments. And there you have it guys, you successfully added the pause effect to your video in CapCut. Thank you so much for always watching our video and enjoy creating dynamic content. Bye bye.